We've got the sheet metal, we've got the screws, we're gonna get to work and saw some lumber. Hey, I can't think of a better use of forest the tree and everything that we can get out of that than creating this little shelter. It's all about creating a bigger future for our children and grandchildren and some great memories for our entire family. We're figuring maybe with the sawmill time included, 8 hours front to back, so about 16 person hours. I'll report out and let you know how it went. Hey, Howard here at 82 Maple. And you know what? Years ago, when I was growing up in Williams Lake and had left grade 11 and started my job at the sawmill, my dad could see that there was some appeal to those significant and steady sawmill wages. And he didn't want me to get all sucked in by that. And so he said, Howard, here's the deal. The wages you're earning now are a means to an end. And yes, there's 7 sawmills in this town today, but hey, you know what? Good times don't last forever. And the forest and the resource industry in this area is going to dry up. You need to use these earnings to figure a way out of this town. And, you know, pretty great insights from a dad who had to leave school in grade 6. And what he was really talking about is look at the tools that you have in your hands today and realize that they're a means to an end. And that's colored my thinking over the years. So as much as I'm amused and enjoy the sawmill, the tractors, and all of the attachments and tools that come along with it, and the same would go for Forest the Tree that you've been introduced to recently. Hey, all of that is a means to an end. And here's what we've got going on today. Coral and I came out and looked at this last evening and said, what a mess. We've got to get this organized. So what we're planning on doing is right over here, doing a construct for a 10x6 shelter. It's going to house the barbecue come this winter. It'll house the chairs, all of the tools, get this stuff out of the weather, get that wood drying properly. We'll have a 1-foot roof overhang all the way around. We're going to put some sheet metal up there on the roof. The porch that we have on the house, we put a sheet metal roof on that porch, and the supplier gave us the wrong length of metal and said, you know what, we have no use for any metal in this custom color and of that length, so why don't you nice folks just have it and use it on some of your outbuildings. Pretty gracious, pretty awesome. And so we've got the sheet metal, we've got the screws, we're gonna get to work and saw some lumber. Hey, I can't think of a better use of forest the tree and everything that we can get out of that than creating this little shelter so that we can quickly and easily store and access everything that goes along with the barbecue area. It's all about creating a bigger future for our children and grandchildren and some great memories for our entire family. Hey, let's get at it. Enjoy it as we share our little build with you. We're figuring maybe with the sawmill time included, 8 hours front to back, so about 16 person hours. I'll report out and let you know how it went.